knee condition is being healed. Some kind of metal in your knee. A man in here, you have some kind of metal in your knee. The Lord is turning it into bones. I give you praise, wonderful Jesus. I give you glory. What happened here?
Apostle, this is amazing. This is Jerry, and for 10 years...
Look at him shaking. I see him shaking. That's the power of God on this man.
He's had 15 back surgeries, 8 rods, 4 plates, 32 screws, but for the first time in 10 years, he can stand up straight. The power of God touched his back.
What?
Hallelujah! 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 Hallelujah!
Come on, people! Miracles happen. I heard the Lord say he was removing metal screws. What happened tonight?
I felt heat go through, and then as I began to raise my feet, it's like everything just broke loose. I couldn't even stand up without holding onto the chairs in front of me.
How long you've had?
Last 10 years, I've had 15 surgeries.
15 surgeries. Something you could not do that. For your name is great. Power in this. Such miracles. Such miracles. Such miracles. Such miracles. Lift your hands right now. For your